Hello everyone, we are ZKAFI. We are Zero Knowledge Assets Finance. And who are we? We are all come from Cathay Financial Holdings blockchain teams, and we are all developers. And we are the biggest traditional bank in Taiwan. And what is ZKAFI? ZKAFI is a zero knowledge real world assets lending protocol. We use zero knowledge to protect real world assets and borrow money in Web3. And what we solve in other real world assets lending, they don't provide privacy and security. And in ZKAFI, our borrower can retain their privacy right. And we partner with our bank, and we have assurance about collateral value and default handling. And how is math? We have contracts, circuits, Merkle tree, and front end. Our contracts using Solidity to complete whole lending protocol, and our circuits use Circon to build the ZK and verify it on the Solidity. And we have a Merkle tree to build a cert, and we also publish it in our NPM. And we have a front end built in by we are gonna make it. If our user want to use real world asset to the collateral, they send it to the bank, and the bank will issue a ZK cert for this collateral. And this cert is a special Merkle tree, including the URL, IDs, SPRI, value, and revoke. And all of this is protected by the ZK. And the user will send the cert to the DeFi to borrow some token. The DeFi will verify, use ZK to ensure they have sufficient collateral and lend money to the user. And if user cannot repay the DeFi within a time limit or others, bank will sell their collateral and repay to the DeFi and revoke the cert. And it is whole our architecture. We also build on Polygon, Gnosis, Squad, Mentor, Sell-off, all of sidechain and other layer 2. Yes. And then it's our demo time.
Oh, sure. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Also the screen. Okay, sure. Okay, and this is our demo page. So as previously saying, we deploy our contract on several network. And in our demo, we will separate to the 3 parts. And the first part is the bound page, and the second is proof, and the third is land page. So in the first page, bounding page, I already used another account to bound the DAI token into our DAI pool. So there are already 50,000 DAI in the pool token. So I will skip this part. If we bound the token into the pool, the account will get the corresponding pool token ZK DAI. So as a borrower, when I already put my real world asset to the bank, I have to request the bank to create the ZK proof for me. So this is our ZK proof. So as a borrower, I can just download this proof, and I want to use this proof to borrow the money from the DeFi world. So I can just upload this proof and type in the amount I want to borrow from the DeFi. So waiting for this transition down, and just very quickly and easily, you can just take a coffee. And when the transition are done, this 1,000 DAI token just come into your wallet. And this is your debt. This will calculate by the rate. And if you cannot repay this debt, the bank can sell your real world asset and turn into the DeFi token and repay the money, repay the debt for you, and then revoke the certificate. So, and as a borrower, if you want to borrow the money again, you have to repay first. So you can just make a repay transaction and make this for lending and borrows process down. So that is our ZKAFI demo. Thank you for your time.